In traditional video conferencing, participants often become passive because they only listen, not speak, resulting in inefficient information transfer and lengthy decision-making processes. Online whiteboards, through visual collaboration, transform meetings into collective creative spaces. Let's assume the goal of a remote internet Teams online meeting is to discuss a suitable marketing plan and schedule project execution. First, open Process On, go to the Piles page, and create a whiteboard. Click Share in the upper right corner to generate a whiteboard collaboration link and share it with team members. Team members can then click to join the collaboration. Before the meeting begins, the note-taker can create a meeting minutes using the drag and tables elements in the left toolbar. Add the meeting name, subject, and other information to help participants understand the meeting's objectives. The right side allows you to write down important agenda items and current work progress. To avoid off-top discussions that slow down the meeting, organizers must maintain strict time management. Click the widget in the upper right corner and select the Quanto function to set a set time for each segment. Project planners can upload their plans to the whiteboard, which supports forms like PowerPoint, DOC, and PDF, or present marketing plans as mind maps. During the presentation, select Presentation, Presentation, and colleagues will follow the speaker's perspective. If you have any questions during the meeting, you can add comments after the relevant content or communicate directly in real time in the chat box on the right. During the discussion phase, if a controversial issue requires a decision, a voting template can be used to write different ideas on the whiteboard, and the decision maker can vote. After the meeting, the note-taker will complete the meeting content and conclusions in the meeting minutes table. This way, the content from every remote team meeting can be documented. The above is a tutorial on how to use a whiteboard for team collaboration. Have you learned it?